What the heck kind of knock was? Welcome in. Welcome in. We are back at Disneyland and we are here at the Portofino Inn Suites in Anaheim, California. We just got here on Sunday. We'll be here Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, 4 days and 3 nights. We booked a king suite. So as you can see behind me, we have French doors going into the suite, but we're not going to get into that yet. We actually booked this room a while ago. So if you check back in, I'll probably put a link to the video somewhere in here to show you our last video if you want to go take a look, because we actually booked a different room, which was a double and it actually had a balcony, but we won't get into it. If you look at that video, you can obviously see the difference between this room and the other room. The whole purpose of this is to show you the other option you can get within this hotel. Let me stop yapping and let's show you the room tour. And honestly, this might be a challenging one, not to be clickbaity. So getting into the bathroom, right? I just had to make an appearance in here to show off my Spirit jersey. But anyways, we're getting into the bathroom. Now, we're not into the bathroom yet, but we have a nice sink area here. You get a nice mirror, a hair dryer that's from a reputable brand, Conair. You got a nice little trash can, Spider-Man purse. It's not really a purse, but it is that. And then you got a nice little eco-friendly soap. It's pretty thin and probably will last one wash. And we have a fan of hand towels. So very nice, aesthetically somewhat pleasing, right? So let's get into the first door of this room. And it is the bathroom. Let me cut the light on. It might be a little loud because the fan does come on right away. All right, as you can see, it's decent size, right? You do have some towels here. Always good to have a good amount of towels. A basic toilet. It does have 2 buttons though. So I know I usually say 1 button. And it does have your soap in here, your body, hair, and conditioner. So as you can see, it says it's a good neighbor, Portofino Inn Suites. And before we move on, I have to show this. Come a little closer. When we checked in, they left an M&M on the floor right here. So we didn't drop that, but that was here. We're just kind of foreshadowing some things that we seen in this hotel when we checked in. But moving on over here, we do have a nice little living quarters, right? You have a pull-out bed, which actually will be used this time because we have our nephew with us, so he'll be taking over this bed. And we have a nice table, basic table over here, lamp. I mean, it is a little dark over here, so they only have 1 lamp, but they have nice shades over here as well. Over here, we have a Picasso that's kind of crooked. You know, it's not perfectly on, but it's okay. Let me fix it for them. Oh, actually, they won't let me take it. So don't mind the stains on the table if you can see them from way back there, that my wife is standing way back there. So maybe come a little closer. But anyways, don't mind the stains on the table. We have a nice leather daddy ice chest right here. We got a coffee that I got from downstairs. And they do have room service. I think we covered that in the last one. So if you want to scan that, you order and pay here and it will come right to your door. Nice chair. It doesn't come with the spooky blanket. However, we brought that because we had a long road trip. But here we go. We have 2 chairs. Nice, nothing too crazy, basic. But we also have a nice window sill here. Now, before we open it, there are some little holes in here. So I don't know if you can get a little closer to see that. But as you can see, they do have some little puncture holes. And there are some little stains on there. So we're just being honest, right? I don't think that necessarily takes away from everything, but don't expect a premium in here. But if you come over here, you can outlook the courtyard area on the back side of the hotel. So we have this nice, I don't even know what this is called. What is this called?
Armoire?
Oh.
Armoire?
Armoire. That's what we have here, right? It comes with a nice RCA TV. I don't know if they got that from Radio Shack, but look, if that store even exists, maybe they did. But they have a nice, I would say a 25 to 30 inch TV maybe. It does come with a turntable microwave by G&E. It has a Hamilton and Beach coffee maker here with all your necessity. Royal Cup coffee. Never heard of that, but that's cool. Sounds good. We also have a refrigerator in here, which is actually really good. And it does come with a Seasons refrigerator. In here, we do have a nice space. All you really need, right? So if you're going to the park, bringing things back, you can warm them up, store them. You don't have to necessarily throw them away when you leave. So that's definitely a plus. With the King Suite, you do get French doors. However, the other King Suites on this side does come with bunk beds as well. So that's cool. If you look at the website, it will show you that it comes with bunk bed. If you're coming with kids, it's definitely a good option. Like we said, our nephew is going to stay right now with us, and he gets to sleep on this polka dot chair. Every King Suite or suite does come with the French doors, and we can open them up to somewhat paradise. All right, getting over here, what do we have here? We have a nice king size bed. It's actually very comfortable. This isn't the first day we are staying here. However, we slept on this and it's very, very comfortable, really good. Coming over here, we have a nice phone. Now, we don't ever really use the phone, but this time we did need additional towels. So we tried to make a phone call on that phone, and unfortunately, it did not go through, or it did not ring.
It doesn't even have a dial tone.
It doesn't even have a dial tone. So if you look over there, we always bring our charger with us, our anchor. So that's ours. And now the bed comes with 6 pillows, I believe, or was it 4? We did ask for 2 more. And like I said, it's actually very comfortable. Everything you need. It's good to have a king bed. Now, I don't know where they got this at, New Orleans or something, right?
Like
but it is really nice. So the bed does have some minor chips on it. Once again, I'm not here to be a nitpicker or anything like that, but I'm just showing you guys a real expectation of what you might get in some of these rooms. I will say the other side did seem a little bit more kept up, maybe, and maybe because there are a lot of kids on this side, maybe that's kind of the reason why. However, I'm just being honest, right? Over here, it doesn't come with a watch, but we have that here. And we do have a balcony, but we'll get into that in a second. We do have our AC unit. So I did forget that to turn off the AC unit while we were recording our video. So hopefully that didn't get picked up, because it sounds like a jet engine every time it fires up. Just kidding. However, it does get pretty loud, but it actually blows pretty good. So you do need air. It's definitely cold, so that's definitely a plus. Over here, we have an LG TV. Now, this doesn't match the RCA TV in there. So once again, I'm not a nitpicker. I'm just calling it out. Some people like matching TVs. I don't know. But we have an LG TV here. I would say probably 35, 45 inch TV. Nothing too fancy, but as I always say, you're going to the park, you got your kids with you, you're not going to be sitting here watching TV unless it's the World Cup like we did a couple of times, and unfortunately we had to watch it on this 45 inch TV, but it's all good. It's all good. Coming over here to Julia's probably stash area, let's open it up, see what we got. I said we were here for 3 days. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of ear. I'm over this. I'm over this.
I bought 2.
Okay, well, she bought 2. Well, we have 3 storage area if you need it. Definitely good. We have another armoire, right? Is that what that's called over here? Or it's just a closet. It does come with a jacket that we forgot to take out. It does have a ironing board, and I'm gonna guess a Hamilton Beach, because it looks like a Hamilton Beach, and it is. Been doing this for quite a while now to know what that is. It has hangers. It looks like another drawer down here as well, and that's good. As I'm sitting on our balcony, if you want to call it that, I'm halfway in the room, halfway out the room, but I'm not complaining. I'm just, like I said, this is nice. Our other side of the room on our last hotel had a full balcony. Over here, we have a steps balcony because you can only get 2 steps outside. My wife said I'm creepy because I'm sitting on our balcony, and honestly, I'm just taking in the sun. All jokes aside, all the rooms on this side, with an exception of the corner rooms on the end, does come with a balcony. I know it's not a real balcony, but it's just good to have a door to kind of come out. It is something like you could probably stand outside on if you want to, and it does wrap around all the way around. So not that you'll probably use it as much, but it is cool, and you can overlook the pool as well. Like I mentioned before, we did stay over there in this other room on this side of the Portofino, and it does come with a full balcony. It comes with they do have kings, doubles there as well. However, I believe the ones with the bunk beds and the suites are on this side because you get more of a room instead of a balcony. Don't mind the AC unit. Hopefully you guys can hear me clearly. Like I said, I'm just being honest. I'm gonna give you guys an honest review. There are holes in this curtain as well, and it does actually have a few stains on it. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just, like I said, I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't necessarily take away from the hotel, in my opinion. I think it's good. It's close to the park. There could be some updates that would need to be made. However, it gets the job done consistently. This is one of the more cheaper hotels, so you kind of get what you pay for. It's not the cheapest though, but like I said, it's not a bad hotel overall or anything like that. I'm just pointing out that don't expect premium when you come here, right? Because I don't want to lead you guys on and make it seem like this is a 10-star hotel. But in my eyes, it's a great hotel. One of the other things I really love about this room is that it has all this space for activities. You could probably build a Disneyland ride in here. That's how big it is. And if you want to do yoga, you want to do dog yoga, you want to do cat yoga, if you have kids running around, this might be the room for that because they have space to play, all that good stuff.
So this is the A&J Gift Mart. This is a part of our hotel here at the Portofino. The gift shop hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's gonna have your essentials, gifts, t-shirts. It's a pretty decent sized gift shop. This might be my favorite section, coffee mugs. They have Jack mugs. So little trinkets, things you can pick up as gifts, and they're gonna be a little inexpensive here, so pretty good deals. Fairly decent prices. They actually have this for $34.99. You know me, I love some Jack. They have Aristocats, and they also have other items here at the hotel. They also have a bunch of lounge flies, and like I said, they have drinks, little things you can pick up if you forgot. It's a pretty cool store. Part of the hotel.
I just started a stopwatch and I'm leaving the hotel. Now, when you're leaving the Portofino, you literally have one light here and then you have one other light that we cross where the buses go. The thing is, sometimes the lights can be long, but if you've seen our last video, I'm only gonna guesstimate 13 minutes, maybe max, if we do a normal pace walk. If we're trying to speed walk, maybe we could get there within 10 minutes. But the trick is to hopefully catch the light. But let's see where we're at. I mean, even to the first light, give or take only 44 seconds. Just made it to the Candy Cane Inn, and we are 3 minutes and 4 seconds in. That light did take a little bit of time, but it's all good. No rushes here. We are making our way to Disney Way and Harbor Boulevard. This is our second light that we will be crossing, but we're going straight. As we're arriving, we are at 6 minutes and 4 seconds, and I'm hoping just to cross and not stop. Made it past that light with the ease. We are currently at 7 minutes and 30 seconds in our favorite walkway. So there was a little bit of people at that front entrance, was not trying to record. We are currently at 10 minutes and 6 seconds, a little bit before the dog security. We are 11 minutes and 40 seconds and the security lines are looking short. That's always a plus if you're trying to get into the park quickly. It was a little bit funny. Security didn't want to handle my camera because they were like, it looks too expensive. But let me check the time. They did hold me back a tiny bit, but it's all good. 14 minutes and 2 seconds. I think I said about 13 minutes, so roughly about the same. Like I said, depending on what kind of line you get. But look, the lines are minimal tonight and it is going to be very good to get in the park.
This is actually one of the coolest little spots they have here. And it's this little garden area. You hear all the cute little birdies, and a lot of people come out here to have a little quick break, or this is where they meet up with their family, or a little picnic. I've seen some people have like some snacks and their morning coffee here. That is our hotel right behind us. I don't think we showed it last time, so we thought we could, you know, let you know this is part of the hotel and one of the amenities. This is our other building. One of my favorite areas of the hotel, as per usual, is the pool area. Pretty simple but nice, clean, fun. Got a couple cabanas over here. Have a bunch of little umbrellas and some lounge chairs. We have a hot tub.
So honestly, what I thought of the hotel, it was pretty good in my opinion. I liked it. I liked my bed. I liked hanging out there. It was cool. I would rate it a 7.5 out of 10.
All right, that's gonna do it for us. This was our second or third stay here at Portofino, and we're so glad we could bring you along with us. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you sticked around to the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know how we did. Would you stay here? Thanks.